You've been lied to about cracking your knuckles. Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. That popping sound? It's just gas bubbles bursting in your joint fluid. In fact, a doctor cracked the knuckles on one hand every day for 60 years, and guess what? Zero arthritis. Multiple studies back it up. It might annoy people around you, but it won't wreck your joints. So next time someone tells you to stop, or you'll end up with grandma hands, you can confidently crack away. Hit subscribe if you've cracked your knuckles today, and comment what myth I should bust next.